Well, good morning, everyone. Welcome to Jay's Learning School. Thank you so much for taking time to learn this quick English lesson. Today, we're going to look at the word away, okay? And we're going to learn some English sentences where you can use the word away, okay? So the word away is a word that you can use to describe an action or a direction. Okay, so let's look at a few sentences that you can practice today so you can get better at English. Okay, stay away from the water. Stay away from the water. So if you can't swim, you would definitely tell someone to stay away from the water. Put your cell phone away. Put your cell phone away. So you're giving someone instructions on what to do. If you want to hold someone's attention, especially a young person, tell them to put their cell phone away. Or you could say something like, my grandmother wasn't feeling well, so she went away. If she were in the room with you, she wasn't feeling good, so she went away. So away is a word that you can use in so many different ways to help, again, communicate direction or instruction. Or you can use away in the form of an expression. When I saw the movie, I was blown away. I was blown away. So I've given you a few sentences today where you can practice the word away. Use it in a conversation. Let me know down in the comment section, how would you use the word away in a sentence? Okay, you may say, stay away from my dog. So many different ways. Hey, if you're not a subscriber, make sure you hit that subscribe button, as well as leave a comment on today's word away down in the description. Join me on my next video. Have a wonderful day right here on Jay's Learning School. See you next time.